Hello friends, my name is Advika Reddy and today we'll see one easy and simple way of salad decoration. For this, we'll use cucumber and carrot. Your salad plate will get ready in just 5 minutes. So let's start. For friends, we'll use cucumber. Now we'll make a tree. For trunk, we'll use a half-cut carrot. For leaves, we'll use cucumber. Our tree is ready. For sun, we'll use orange. Now we'll add two beautiful butterflies. For one butterfly, we'll use tomato slices, and for another one, we'll use cucumber. Our salad plate is ready. Isn't it beautiful? You must try it. Thank you.